Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy AM coming to you with an unboxing video. This time we're on the handheld camera. Reasons why is because we're going to be unboxing something quite big, so our usual setup is not going to work. So I have with me my handy dandy knife to open up the box. So we're going to go down here and open up what we have here. So as I said in the previous video, we got the Alienware R7 Gaming PC desktop. So we have a box in a box. It's the box inception. So I'm gonna grab it by the handles and pull the sucker out. There we go. Kick that box to the side and start continuing. So we have PM on the camera as my operator, and if you have any complaints about how it looks, you can take it up with her. Sorry I don't have the microphone connected because this is all on the camera. We're going to be trying this out. So we have the Alienware logo here on the side. Flip it around. We got some specs and stuff. I'll go over that a little bit later. And there's Alienware. And right here we have, like, you know, what's inside of there. So we have a one-time M2 connection for the SSD. RGB, has DDR4 RAM, 15 USBs, which I really like because I'll be making all these videos. I have a one USB Type C. You don't really have anything that has that yet, but maybe in the future. So this is the box. You saw all four sides of it. I can't, let me see, I'll flip it on its butt so you can see what it looks like. That's the bottom, just more tape, more stuff. So good here on the top, you can see that it's held together by plastic. NVIDIA inside, so not NVIDIA, Intel. So that means that we'll be running Intel processors instead of AMD. So we're gonna cut this open and see what little treasures we have inside. Now I know a lot of people will be like, why did you not build your own PC? The number one reason was the cost. I wanted to build my own PC. I wanted to build it under $1,000, but with all of the cryptocurrency mining kits that people are building, it's just too expensive. So this is what I bought instead. It's actually a great deal. If you add all the parts up, you actually save like $150 at MSRP. So that's the reason why I went with pre-built instead of building my own. Building a PC right now is not worth it. So here on top of the box, we got a little opening. So we'll pull this open and see what's inside. Look, we have here, we have the Alienware Quick Start Guide. We don't read that, we'll just toss that to the side. Some information about safety, we don't read that either. We kind of know what we're going to be doing. So this is the typical accessories you get with these computers. If you build your own, you don't get a mouse, but here we got like a typical mouse. Not very good, just plasticky. Sufficient for what it is, but we'll go and get a gaming keyboard so we can make this baby souped up. One of the main reasons why I picked up, why I wanted a new PC was I wanted to do a lot more streams, and in my house and in all of my other unboxing videos, you notice that I have Apple products. Streaming on Apple does not really work out, so you have to go with PC to do it, and that's the reason why I picked it up. But I also wanted something that I can game with, since I do a lot of gaming. So my goal was to get something that I can stream with but also game with. Because, you know, if you're going to build a computer, why not build one that you can game with? I never owned a gaming PC, so I was kind of excited to get one that fills both roles, and this kind of fit the price point as well as the specs that I was looking for. So here we have the power cable, typical, plugs into the computer, plugs into the outlet, gives your stuff more juice. Here we have the keyboard, I assume. It's in a cool little box. We'll open that up and we'll check this out. We have a plastic cover in it, so we'll just rip that right off. There's some more plastic on the top. We will pull that off, like as satisfying as it always is. Cool. Looks pretty cool, pretty sufficient. I'm glad it comes with all the number locks or the number keypad on the side, so that's cool. USB plugs it in, but like I said, I'll probably be getting a gaming keyboard sometime in the future, and you'll check that out in another unboxing video. So let's pull this top off and let's keep digging inside. Wow, so we have the desktop, and it looks just like any other Alienware type of gaming PC. So we'll pull this sucker out. Ooh. So we have the foam covering it. Ooh, it's upside down. So we'll flip this bad boy up. So the protective foam's coming off, and we keep diving a little bit deeper. So it's a decent sized case, mid-tower, I believe. It has a i7 8700 processor, has 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. It's probably, I don't know what the hertz is, probably comes in at 2400, and then it also got GTX 1070 as well as liquid cooling, and then 1 terabyte hard drive. And so what I picked up earlier in the week was SSD that I can hook up into it. It has a thing called Octane memory, but it only has like 16 gigabytes. But I want something that had bigger storage so I can put my games on there or my video, whatever. So this is the gaming PC. It's pretty cool. That's the front of it. That's the side. Here's the back side. We have all those ports, and this is what I like the most because I can hook up all my cameras, my microphones, everything to it, so I can do all my streaming. And then hopefully one day I can have a studio here in the house, which we already do, but something a little bit more bigger. And so we can keep adding to this and maybe do like a live podcast or like live videos. And so I didn't want to pay an exorbitant amount of money because I'm a Mac person. So I was willing to invest about like, you know, $1,000 into a system that would hold me over for a couple of years. This is all RGB right here. Also in the front, that's like RGB as well. We have plastic covering guarding the grills. That's RGB on the side. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Alienware R7. We have a keyboard here, mouse, power. So I'm gonna hook this up and then start playing some more games. You'll see some more videos of me streaming and things like that. So hope you liked the video. If you like what you saw, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.